Hello! Today I'll show you how to fix these Audio-Technica MSR7 headphones with a broken ear cup mount. It's really frustrating that the manufacturer doesn't sell replacement parts. I found a full replacement kit on web, headband and all, but my happiness disappeared when I saw there were only 2 wires. These headphones have more wires because they feature active noise cancellation. But since you're in the Techscrew DIY channel, I'll show you how to use the parts we actually need. So let's play some relaxing music and get to work. If you have any questions while watching this repair, feel free to leave them below the video. Good luck!